Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you into Huck's World, and the Monday grind is here. Get ready people, because there's no way around it. The grind has to be done. Now, with that being said, we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man, Jeweler. The guy is definitely still doing his thing. If you don't know this guy, you need to get to know this guy, because he throws down on some of the baddest watch faces you ever want to see. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Jeweler Casual Race, and my man, I'm telling you, he really did his thing with this watch face. 7 thumbs up in the door for the creativity and the design of this watch face. Now, looking at it, I like the thing. I like the overall look and feel of this watch face, and everything is legible. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gear 3. You're going to get the same design, some of the same info, and it's going to be dimmed down in a black and white thing, which looks super awesome. Now, for the Gear 2, it's going to look slightly different, but you will be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, my man really threw down on this watch face. It's feature packed. Everything is laid out perfectly, and everything is also legible. Now, let's take a closer look at it. First, you got nice analog hands, very premium. Nice second hand is cruising around the bezel of the watch. I'm loving the look of the index. Really pulls the whole watch face together for a traditional look. And you got your step goal completed info there. You got your heart rate information here, your step information right there, and also you got the day of the week and also the date. Now, down at the bottom, you're going to get a nice moon phase in between your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. And down at the bottom, people, you will get the date. Now, here's going to be your heart rate information. The 16 that you see to the left, right next to it, that represents how many weeks we are into the year. So my man really did his thing with this watch face, but we're nowhere near done yet. Now, let's take a closer look at the watch face. First of all, you can tap into a menu that's going to let you know exactly where to tap at in order to extract the information that you're seeking. In order to get there, just simply double tap, and it's going to open up the menu, and it's going to show you the whole layout of where all the information is. And then just simply double tap to get out, and let's check it out. Here, if I double tap, I can go in and check out my calories burned, step information, of course, water, coffee intake, and more. If I double tap right here, I'm going to be able to get my heart rate information, which is super awesome. Here, it's going to be my steps. And of course, down here, I'm going to be able to get into my shortcuts. So if I want to set a favorite, I can set in 3 places, and I can also do it right here as well. Tap right there, and it brings it up. So I thought that was super cool. So it's gonna make the watch face just that much more convenient. And again, no, we're not done yet. If I double tap right here, I can change the sub dials. So just simply double tap, and you get so many, and I do mean so many, to go through. My man really laid this watch face out. Now, if I double tap right here, I can change the index, which I thought was awesome. Again, my man got a lot of different flavors to the watch face. You can customize this just to simply make it your own. And if I double tap down at the bottom right here, I can change the background color, which all the colors, and he gives you many different color things to change to, and they all really look super nice. My man really did his thing. If I double tap right here, I can change the information for where my steps are and the weeks into the year as well. You get many different colors to change to there as well. And if I double tap right here, I can customize the hands as well. This is going to be for the minutes, and this one's going to be for the hour. So my man really gave you many different options to customize this watch face to your liking. And I'm telling you, this guy always gets down like this. And this is definitely one of those watch faces that you want to have in your lineup. And if I double tap here, I can change the stripe around the information for my steps. You see that? Very nice. My man did an awesome job on this watch face. He never ceased to amaze. And that's going to be it for the video, people. But you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the download. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.